The Ethical Hacker's Toolkit, your Android phone. Did you know your Android phone can become a powerful tool for ethical hacking? It's true. With the right knowledge, you can transform your phone into a pocket-sized security lab. This essay explores the fascinating world of ethical hacking using your Android device. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We will focus on the ethical aspects of hacking. Our goal is to learn how to protect systems, not exploit them. We'll delve into setting up your phone, essential tools, and real-world applications. Let's embark on this journey to understand the importance of cybersecurity in our increasingly connected world. Why Android for ethical hacking? Android's open-source nature makes it ideal for ethical hacking. You have the freedom to customize and experiment. The vast app ecosystem offers specialized tools for security professionals and enthusiasts. Imagine having a portable penetration testing lab at your fingertips. You can analyze networks, scan for vulnerabilities, and test security measures. Android's versatility is unmatched. Building your mobile arsenal essential tools and setup. Before we dive in, let's talk about the tools of the trade. We'll need to equip our Android device with specialized apps. These tools will help us analyze networks, scan for vulnerabilities, and test security measures. First, we'll set up a terminal emulator. This allows us to interact with our phone using text commands, just like a traditional computer. We'll use an app called Termux, which is powerful and easy to use. Next, we'll install a suite of hacking tools. These tools will allow us to perform various tasks, such as network scanning, password cracking, and vulnerability analysis. Don't worry, we'll walk through each step carefully. Setting up your hacking lab, installing Termux. In this section, we will guide you through the process of installing and setting up Termux, a powerful terminal emulator for Android. Let's begin by installing Termux from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app on your Android device and search for Termux. Once you find it, tap on the Install button to download and install the app. Termux provides a Linux-like environment on your Android device. This means you can run a variety of Linux commands and tools directly from your phone, making it a versatile tool for developers and hackers alike. With Termux, you can use familiar Linux commands and tools. Once the installation is complete, open the Termux app. You'll be greeted with a command line interface that looks similar to a Linux terminal. You'll be greeted with a command prompt. This is where you'll enter commands to interact with your device. The command prompt is your gateway to executing various tasks and scripts on your Android device. This is where you'll enter commands to interact with your device. You can think of it as a direct line to your phone's operating system, allowing you to perform tasks that would typically require a computer. Think of it as a direct line to your phone's operating system. With Termux, you can install additional packages, run scripts, and even set up a development environment right on your phone. Now let's update the package list and upgrade any outdated packages. This is an important step to ensure that you have the latest versions of all the tools and libraries you'll be using. Type the following commands in Termux and press Enter after each line: apt update, apt upgrade. The apt update command refreshes the list of available packages and their versions, while apt upgrade installs the latest versions of all the installed packages. This ensures you have the latest versions of all the essential tools. Keeping your packages up to date is crucial for security and functionality, as it ensures you have the latest features and patches. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards building your mobile hacking lab. With Termux installed and updated, you're now ready to explore the vast possibilities it offers. From running simple scripts to setting up complex environments, Termux opens up a world of opportunities on your Android device, equipping your Android for ethical hacking. In this section, we will delve into the essential tools and applications that transform your Android device into a powerful tool for ethical hacking. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or a professional, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. Now it's time to equip our Android device with specialized hacking tools. These tools are designed to help you understand and secure networks, analyze traffic, and identify potential vulnerabilities. By installing these applications, you can turn your Android into a versatile hacking toolkit. These tools will allow us to probe networks, analyze traffic, and identify vulnerabilities. Understanding how data flows through a network and where potential weak points lie is fundamental to cybersecurity. With the right tools, you can gain insights into network structures and behaviors. One essential tool is Nmap, a powerful network scanner. Nmap is widely used in the cybersecurity community for its ability to discover devices on a network and identify open ports. This information is critical for assessing the security posture of a network. Nmap helps us discover devices on a network and identify open ports. By scanning a network, you can see which devices are connected and what services they are running. This can help you pinpoint potential vulnerabilities that need to be addressed. Another useful tool is Wireshark, which captures and analyzes network traffic. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that lets you see what's happening on your network at a microscopic level. It's an invaluable tool for diagnosing network issues and understanding network protocols. With Wireshark, we can see the data flowing between devices on a network. This includes everything from web traffic to email communications. By analyzing this data, you can identify unusual patterns that might indicate a security threat. To install these tools in Termux, use the following commands: apt install Nmap, apt install Wireshark. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android that allows you to run Linux commands and install a variety of software packages. By using Termux, you can bring the power of Linux-based tools to your Android device. Remember, these tools are for ethical hacking purposes only. Ethical hacking involves testing and securing systems with permission. It's important to use these tools responsibly and within the bounds of the law. Always obtain permission before scanning networks or devices that don't belong to you. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal and unethical. Make sure you have explicit consent from the network or device owner before conducting any tests. Ethical hacking is about improving security, not exploiting vulnerabilities. Unveiling network secrets. Sniffing and scanning. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of network sniffing and scanning, two fundamental techniques in the realm of ethical hacking. Network sniffing and scanning are crucial techniques in ethical hacking. These methods allow cybersecurity professionals to understand the intricacies of network communication and identify potential security weaknesses. Sniffing allows us to capture and analyze network traffic, revealing valuable information. By intercepting data packets, we can see the flow of information between devices, which can be instrumental in diagnosing network issues or uncovering malicious activities. Scanning helps us discover devices and services on a network. This process involves probing the network to identify all connected devices, their operating systems, and the services they are running. This is essential for creating an accurate map of the network structure. Using tools like Wireshark, we can capture packets of data traveling across a network. Wireshark is a powerful network protocol analyzer that provides a detailed view of network traffic, making it easier to spot anomalies and potential threats. By analyzing these packets, we can gain insights into network activity, identify vulnerabilities, and even uncover sensitive information. This analysis can reveal patterns that indicate security breaches or other issues that need to be addressed. Nmap, on the other hand, allows us to scan networks for active devices and open ports. Nmap is a versatile tool that can perform various types of scans to detect live hosts, open ports, and even the software versions running on those ports. This information helps us understand the network structure, identify potential targets, and assess security risks. By knowing which devices are active and what services they are running, we can better protect the network from potential threats. Remember, ethical hacking emphasizes responsible disclosure. It's not just about finding vulnerabilities, but also about ensuring they are reported and fixed to improve overall security. If you discover vulnerabilities, report them to the relevant parties so they can be fixed. Responsible disclosure helps maintain trust and ensures that security issues are addressed promptly, protecting users and organizations from potential harm.